What's cracking lacking? Putting the fenders on the D100 here. Had to shave off the insides because they were sticking out too far. I'm putting it on. You probably can't see. Oh, you can see on camera. We're tightening it up and pull it right into the screw. Made that little dent. Oh yeah, you can see it real good actually. At a certain angle. Nice. They're fitting good though.
I just want to take it back off and I'll put a washer on there and see how we're at then.
Said the same thing happened over here?
Yeah, I was wondering if that was in there.
Oh yeah. Oh, new dent. Another. I'm gonna weld it on there to make it stick out just a little bit. It needs to. Cover. Alright guys, so where we are, we had the fenders up there, but we were just getting them fitted. But now we're on to power washing them. We have some stuff here. It's in the killer bottle. But what this stuff is, you spray it on any rust and it actually kills the rust and it'll turn it black when it's done treating it. And then, gosh, something just got in my eye. But then you can paint over it. But we're gonna power wash the fenders here. This one here, that's way truck should sit. That looks good right there. But yeah, power wash these all down. And we're gonna scuff them up, sand them down in certain places just so the paint can stick and just hit all the edges. See, done fixed those, filled the holes, got that all looking good. That actually just sprayed right here with that rust killer. As you can tell, it's turning a darker color there. He didn't put much on there, but stuff works really good. It's like $120 a gallon or something crazy. Bob wants to say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Meow. Gosh, it's dusty in here. What up, y'all? We're on like day 3 of this video, but today we have treated these underside of these fenders and the lowers of the fenders. Treated them with that rust spray, you know, the killer stuff I was talking about. Let that sit all day, and now we're just cleaning up with the old wheel here, as you can see. And then we're gonna undercoat them with some of that thick, chunky, you know, like bed liner kind of stuff. I think it's actually called undercoating. But doing that, then tomorrow we'll probably do some sanding, or maybe tonight even, do some sanding on these fenders and get them all edged out with the green paint, like on the back of the cab there, that pretty green, you know. Woo! Just got all those cleaned up. Somewhat. Time to do the last one. Can't see a thing. premium undercoating here. That's what will be under the fenders and on the bottom side of the truck and everything, guys. If you can hear this. Doesn't look like it's laying bed. Smells like progress in here. Everything's looking pretty. Spray down. Oh yeah. Whew. Got my high-tech respirator on. Alright guys, as you can see, these parts here, we sanded them down. Got them cleaned up here. And so the final step now is tonight we're going to come back in here and hopefully edge all these fenders out, the inners of the fenders, battery tray, and just get everything ready for the final paint job. Show you guys a little closer up what's been done. Got everything cleaned up. Sanded somewhat. Still need to do a little bit more sanding, but they're about there. And they'll get some green on them, get some color going. Gonna hopefully try and clean the hood up today too. Got to do some with those hinges. Haven't decided if we want to paint them with the hinges on or go ahead and take them off and possibly switch them out for these ones because they aren't as greasy. But yeah, that's where we are on the build here, and just gonna keep trucking along. Alright, so we got everything wiped down in lacquer thinner all around the corners and stuff. Now we're going to spray some paint on it. Yeah? Yeah. colors.
Why is there not any material coming out?
Yeah, it looks like it's hardly shooting.
Nobody is spraying that. Everything gonna paint the outside of this one. This gun definitely is not playing.
Shiny. What do y'all think about the color? I think green's much better than the blue you were looking at. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna put a coat on it right there now. I'm gonna do it. What do you think?
I don't know.
Put two coats on the other thing, on the firewalls. I laid it on it pretty thick.
Stuff looks pretty good, I think.
Probably put a second coat on there.
Didn't you say this paint was like $100?
Yeah.
$100 paint job. Looks pretty dang good, I think. So to prep for paint, we hit it the rough areas with 180, then we went back through with 320 sandpaper and just sanded everything down till it was nice and smooth, and new paint now. Looks good.
There's a few spots where I got a little too thick and it kind of marbled on me, but it actually don't look that bad. Compared to what I thought it was going to look like.
Oh!
That there looks kind of but I put a lot of paint on there. That don't look as bad as what I thought it was going to.
You can kind of see.
Yeah, but that's not.
So it looks pretty good for $100 paint. Not too shabby. It doesn't look too bad. Got a little bit of specks on it, but if we just stay right about here, it looks good. If I had to say so myself.
Yeah, it's got a little haze to it. That paint gun just ain't working.
Fenders turned out pretty good. I think everything turned out pretty dang good, if I had to say so myself. I don't even know where this video started. I think we started with power washing and everything and cleaning everything up. Then we hit it all with 180 and 320 sandpaper to get it prepped for paint, and now we're here. Still gotta fix this cowl here and then start the body work on the outside of the truck. Yeah. Is that what's next?
Yeah.
Yeah. As you can tell, the outside of the fenders aren't painted. That's so when have the truck together, just spray it all at once so it all has an even coat and all turns out the same color. So no, we did not miss that there. Y'all feel? I think that color's feminine. I think it's very masculine. Just screams booger. Bugger.
That's a pool of paint.
It turned out good. I should have taken a video of what that looked like before. But it was doing all kinds of craziness right there because that rust killer stuff, I think. But now, turned out alright.
Paint them.
What color would you paint them?
Black or body color.
Gold kind of stands out, but
They don't match.
yeah, I don't think it'll look bad. Gold. What color do the subscribers think? Gold? Black? Gray? Pink?
Everyone thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
Guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, because why not? Yeah. Do it for something.